Greetings, coin enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a captivating journey to explore Singapore's cherished numismatic treasure, the 10-cent coin. Join us as we uncover the intricate design, historical significance, and potential value behind this iconic coin. ***, design and symbolism, ***. The Singapore 10-cent coin represents a splendid blend of culture and symbolism. Its design often features national symbols, such as the Singapore lion head or other iconic motifs, encapsulating the nation's values and heritage. The meticulous craftsmanship mirrors the pride and identity of Singapore. Historical context ***. The 10-cent coin carries within it a piece of Singapore's history. Minted through various eras, it has witnessed the nation's growth and transformation, mirroring the progress and prosperity achieved since Singapore's independence. Its journey parallels the nation's remarkable development. Rarity and collectibility ***. While widely used in everyday transactions, certain editions or limited variations of the Singapore 10-cent coin have piqued the interest of numismatic enthusiasts. Some rare editions, due to limited mintage or specific characteristics, have gained recognition and captivated collectors worldwide. Market insights and potential value ***. In the world of coin collecting, select editions of the Singapore 10-cent coin have garnered attention for their potential worth. While not often reaching millions, some rare or error coins have been known to fetch substantial prices in auctions or among collectors, their value influenced by rarity, condition, and demand. Conclusion ***. Iconic Singapore landmarks and the 10-cent coin. The Singapore 10-cent coin isn't merely currency, it's a canvas of history and a reflection of Singapore's identity. Each coin is a piece of the nation's narrative, carrying with it stories and values cherished by Singaporeans. Thank you for joining us on this enthralling exploration of Singapore's 10-cent coin. Remember, the value of these numismatic treasures extends beyond their monetary worth. Like and subscribe for more captivating insights into coins and their remarkable stories.